it brings the Marines?
It brings us an unprecedented flexibility and capability as far as supporting our Marines on the ground with speed, range, altitude, survivability, maneuver around the battle space. It's phenomenal.
And how many have you got now in service?
The Marine Corps has in total about 150, 55 airplanes now, and we're delivering new ones literally every month. We get 3 to 4 per month.
And the pilots that come in to fly the Osprey, you're now getting people in sort of straight in from ab initio training, who've never flown, haven't got the hours on a helicopter or an aircraft. So, are they finding it easier to transition, perhaps?
I'd say they're relatively easy to train because this younger generation of pilots that are coming through the training syllabus are very technology oriented. It's a very technological airplane with a lot of software interfaces with the aircraft that they're very comfortable with. As far as the flying, the stick and rudder piece, all of them are doing exceptionally well in the training syllabus that's been prescribed, and it's really no more than what we've always trained helicopter airplane pilots in the Marine Corps.
By performing a CSAR rescue of an F-15 pilot who was crewmen who were down in enemy territory. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I tell you that I think from a strategic communication standpoint, it was a phenomenal capability and demonstration of a capability, and also prevented a potential Black Hawk Down scenario like we had many years ago in Somalia. Can you imagine if the downed air crew had fallen into the wrong hands? And the ability to reach out and grab them as quickly as we did, only with the V22, was just phenomenal for the United States and the U.S. military. I'll tell you, from a V22 operations perspective, it really wasn't anything more than what we do on any given day, except being on call to do it when they called and said, we got a guy down. It was a prepared mission set. We call it tactical recovery of air crew and personnel. As soon as we got the call that we had a guy down, they were briefed and ready to go, and 45 minutes later he was back on the ship. So I think Bob mentioned earlier this morning there were other assets in theater that were available, but none that could respond as quickly. And the sooner you get those people out of harm's way, the less risk you have to a very bad incident or international attention.
And the MEU in the Mediterranean was simultaneously supporting ops in Libya and Afghanistan.
Correct. Yes, we had that particular unit had 10 V22s. As I mentioned this morning, 6 of them were supporting the spring offensive in Afghanistan, and those left 4 on the ship were able to support the trap mission in Afghanistan.
And finally, the V22 is going global with deployments with the Marines to Japan, and also with AFSOC to here in the UK in 2013. So, do you think that's going to put it in the public eye a bit more outside America?
I think so, absolutely. It'll get more visibility the more it's deployed and operational worldwide. I think it's going to be a phenomenal capability in the Western Pacific. Being able to island hop to all over the Philippine Islands, down to Australia, all the way up to northern Japan without any kind of additional support or runways or anything else. It's going to be a great asset to the United States Marine Corps out there.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
My pleasure.